Here we got a 2020 Ram Bighorn, 29,000 mile one owner with a clean CarFax, and I believe it's Delmonico Red, pretty little burgundy red here as we look. One thing you're going to notice is this is the new body style, not the classic design. So you got the new front end, sharp looking front end there with the chrome ram embroidered behind the black honeycomb there. You can see we also do have bumper sensors all the way around on this truck, on the front and the rear. Halogen headlamps. There are fog lights in the bumper fascia there. Chrome bumpers on the bottom as well. As we come around to the side, GoodYear tires, 3/4 tread, multi-spoke alloy wheel. I see a nice shiny rotor there and thick brake pad. It's one thing we really pride ourselves here at All Things Automotive. I do a used car mechanical check on all our vehicles. Find the results of that inspection signed up by the technician that performed it in the glove box of all of our cars. Manual adjustment on the passenger seat. You can see we have a light gray covered seat, dark charcoal carpeting, full console in between there with the dial shifter on the dash. See the Bighorn logo there on the dash panel as well. Two-tone dash also on the door panel. Let's go ahead and take a look. You can see we got the books here. Let's take a look at the report that I spoke of, the mechanical condition report. You'll find these in the glove box. You can see all the tires are 8, now brand new is 10 to 12, so that's 3/4 tread or better on the tires. And you see brand new brakes, 13 and 15 30-seconds. So new brakes all the way around on this truck, and we really do that on all these vehicles. We want to give you a like new alternative to used car price, so we will completely go over these wearables, half, 3/4, and in this case brand new brakes all the way around, looking through the back. Now this is the quad cab, half cab, but there's still ample leg, hip, and shoulder room. And if we look at the back of this console, look at all the connectivity they have back there now. 2 USB ports, 2 different sizes, and then we also have your power outlet there. We also have the louvers to help keep the rear occupants comfortable. So it's all about connectivity and comfort for the passengers. And you can see, like I say, all the tires match. A little bit of a splash shield there, but you can see no oxidation on that frame rail down there. 4-wheel drive, and the Bighorn does give you the chrome bumpers as I showed, but it also gives you the dual exhaust tips there. We do have the integrated 7-way round 4-way flat trailer wiring. We do have the backup camera here with the chrome tailgate handle. See, we got a drop-in rugged liner there. See the Bighorn badging. Continuing around to the side, say matching GoodYears all the way around. Give you a shot of that frame rail as much as we can see. No rust. Very clean interior, no rips, tear, stains, or odors. Previous owner was a non-smoker. And full power seat, including lumbar there on the driver's side. Controls and switches here. We got your locks, your windows, and your mirrors located right on the door pod. Before we jump in, I'll show you couple options here. It's a little easier to show you. We do have electronic parking brake. We do have power pedals, automatic headlamp controls. There's your button for your fog light. You also got your dimmer there for your interior. We also promise 2 sets of keys. You can see them here. Is equipped with a factory remote start as well as the keyless entry, as you can see. Now let's climb in. 29,068 miles, and push button to start. While the truck warms up, I'll show you the CarFax here. See, no accidents or damage, 1 owner, well-maintained vehicle. And let's continue the tour. We got the stem to the left here, intermittent wiper washers, high beams, turn signals, control pad for your center screen, customizable. You can see how we sort through. You also can see the compass and temperature in the corners. You can customize this however you'd like it. Back to the digital speedometer. Do have your Bluetooth there. Cruise control is over here, and the ability to select any of the gears of your multi-speed transmissions. The up and down button here on the steering wheel. Now, this Bighorn does have the heated seats and the heated steering wheel, which is cool. It's a level 2 Bighorn. We also got your AM/FM satellite radio, ability to pair any media device either through Bluetooth, USB, or auxiliary. Got your dual climate control here, and there's another button for your heated seats and wheel. There's your temperature sliders. You can use the touch or the analog below it. You got your customizable apps. Got your controls. There again, more places for your heated seats, pair your phone, and your radio settings. Again, analog controls, 4-way flashers, also push buttons for your heated seats and wheel here, so you got all kinds of ways to turn those on. Again, climate control. Down here, toggle switches, traction control, tow haul, turning off your front or your rear park sensors. Dial shifter with your 4-wheel drive lock here, push button on your electronically controlled 4-wheel drive, and then your dial shifter for your transmission. Again, all kinds of connectivity, micro USBs, regular size USBs, auxiliaries up top as well. 2 cup holders, little change tray. In here we got a lower tray, and we got a bigger under tray. All kinds of places. LED, power slider. What else do we have? Power slider, LED map lights, universal home link on the visor. Believe illuminated visors. Yep, got one on that visor. Got one on that visor. Auto dim on your rear view. So well equipped on this level 2. Really nice truck. A lot of Laramie type options without the Laramie price. Pop the hood here. It's got a Hemi in it. Let's take a look. See, hemispherically air inducted 5.7 liter V8 engine. Quiet, clean, no exhaust leaks, fluid leaks, no corrosion on the battery terminals. All your essential check and fill points highlighted with yellow dipstick handles and or caps. Allows you to make it easy to navigate under the hood, even if you might be a little more novice at checking your fluids. Help point you in the right direction. Alright, so showed you the mechanical evaluation, 3/4 on the tread, brand new brakes all the way around. Showed you the auto history report, no accidents, 1 owner. Last part of making informed buying decisions, cosmetic appearance. It's going to walk around, be your eyes and ears, show you minor imperfections this vehicle may have. A couple little series of little scratches there, scuffs. But other than that, light new truck, really pretty in the color. Doesn't really have any dings or dents. No dents on the bumpers. A couple little marks on the protective cap here, but that's what it's there for. Tailgate itself is fine. Minor scratches there we buffed out. Bedsides are really good. A lot of times if you're going to have damage on the truck, you're going to have it on the bedsides. This truck's good. No dings or dents. A couple little scrapes on the bed rails and the cap cover there, but like I say, that's what they're for. Little tiny ding right there. I saw it. It's hard to pick up. I don't know if I can catch it in the light. There's the tiniest of dents right there. Other than that, a little bit of scratches, scuffs there on that lower part of the bumper fascia. The side seems to be pretty good. A couple little stone chips, and we got a couple little stone chips across the front lip of this hood. Little scratches, little chips just from rocks finding their way. But all in all, guys, like new alternative does still have the remainder of Ram's powertrain and comprehensive warranties transferable to the next owner, so you can buy with confidence. If you're interested, a few ways of getting a hold of us. Come visit us, 21518 Great Cove Road, McCollumsburg, Pennsylvania. Give us a call, area code 717-485-4224, option 1 for sales, or shop 24/7 online at www.allthingsautomotive.com. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.